Hello guys, I hope you are safe and healthy. Welcome to Applied Linguistics lessons. In today's lesson, we'll be talking about task-based learning. According to this approach, language is a tool for communicating meaning through the use of functions, vocabulary, structures, discourse. Okay, so according to this approach, language is a means of communication. It communicates the meaning through what? Through functions, that is language functions, vocabulary, grammatical structures, and discourse. Language is learned by using it. So according to this approach, if you want to use or if you want to learn language, you need to use it, okay? In communication, you interact with others. That's how language is learned, according to this approach, of course. Classroom activities are based on series of problem-solving tasks. To solve the problems, learners need to communicate. Okay, so the activities that are used in the classroom according to this approach are uh, put in a problem solving task. Okay, so the activity, you have to solve a task. Okay, you have a problem to solve, and then you solve it by communicating with other students. Okay, so you communicate. It's a kind of an interaction between students where they communicate to solve certain problem. Grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation may or may not be focused on in class after the task is completed. Okay, once the task is completed, sometimes they focus on grammar and vocabulary. Okay, sometimes they don't. Okay, necessary vocabulary expressions and grammatical structures are often pre-taught. Okay, so they start with expressions and grammatical structures and vocabulary. This is something that you start with in classroom first. One student learn this, and then they move to other areas of language and other aspects. In the classroom, task-based learning activities. You see, these are how lessons are set. Okay, so the first thing they start with is pre-task. The teacher introduces a topic or a task, and then they pre-teach vocabulary or expressions, grammatical structure, etc. So they start with this, okay, at the beginning, and then we have another step, which is task cycle, performance of task with little guidance. So when the teacher introduces the topic, he teaches, for example, vocabulary, and then he keeps guide the performance of students. So he guides students in their performance in their task. Okay, and then eventually he analyzes students' performance, which is step 3. He analyzes students' performance, and he aids and helps students in the practice of the language. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.